Hello, my name is Arthur, and in this video we're going to get the sounds that we made onto their different scenes and see if we can get them working. So we'll do the pressure switch. So we'll add a node, the audio stream player, 2D. We'll load in its sound. That one was click. And let's look at the script for how to get that playing. Um, let's see. That should play when something steps on or off of the platform. Oh, play. So that's when a block or the player stands on the switch, so it'll play. And then right here, something has gotten off of the switch, so we'll play it right there. So now when something steps on that switch, that sound should play. Now we'll do the player, and he needs his jump sound. So we'll add in his jump sound. And that should probably happen at play animation, so that's right here. So that should get that working. And then the last one is the platform. And the platform is a little different because this is a looping sound. So we actually have to import that as a sound that will loop. So we have to check mark this. And yeah, check marking normalize is a good idea too, which I think I've done for all of the sounds. I've normalized them. And that includes check marking the box and re-importing them. So with that sound set to loop, we can add in its audio player. And let's put that in there. Now, the script for this one is going to look a little bit different because we only want this to actually play when the platform is moving. So we'll make a variable is moving. Then in ready, let's make is moving equal $body 2D. That's the name of the platform. Actually, we can just do this. Is moving equals home because the position is found right here. Um, then let's check the audio stream player documentation. Okay, so is playing is how we check if the audio player is playing. Because I rather do this in a way that it doesn't get set to play every time it comes through function process delta, or it gets told to stop every time it comes through. So if $ audio stream player dot is playing, if is moving equals the kinematic body's position, then the audio player will stop. Then if not, well, let's just copy and paste here. Do some lazy scripting again. If it's not playing and if moving is not equal to audio stream player play, and then is moving equals position. So that should make it so that it only plays when the platform is moving. So let's give those a try and see what we get for sounds. So there's a jump sound. There was. Oh, we found a glitch. Listening to the sound, it's not the cleanest transition in the loop. Like you can hear where it loops. And we can mess around with that. We can mess around with that to find a loop end that would work. Or we could go back to the original sound because, well, that would also be quite difficult. Uh-oh. That'll make things difficult. Let's try that around 10,000. Hundred. Probably the easiest thing to do is to load the sound back in. But a point can be found where the loop will play correctly, but it's not an easy matter. And yeah, that's one of the problems with a looping sound. With a song, it's one thing, but with a repeating rhythmic sound like this, it's kind of a different matter. So that could take quite a bit of playing around to get that to match up quite the way we'd like it to. That one's a little better. Now it's getting worse. So we're just going to call that good enough and sort of settle for it. It's got some sounds going, and that's better than not having sounds. And of course, people who don't are less stubborn and want to download content, there's lots of that kind of stuff online as well to like download sounds and stuff. So I guess moving forward, it's time to start looking at maybe some other enemies and some actual game objective. So yeah, the question will be, what challenge does he need to pass to get to the next level? So that's what I'll be looking at in future videos, and until then, take care.